Hello, good morning, all my students. How are you today? Okay, Teacher Stella, hope that you have a good health. Okay, stay safe at home. Okay, for today, right, we already come to the almost to the end of the topic for length, mass, and volume of liquid. Okay, because we are going to learn today, our objective is how to create stories, okay, based on the mathematics sentence, and also how to solve problems that involve length, mass, and also volume of liquid. Okay, so first of all, we're going to touch about how we're going to create stories. Okay, as usual, create stories is it's a common skills that we need in maths so that we can relate it in our daily life. Okay, because maths is involved numbers, but do you know that numbers is actually that numbers all are related to certain stories in our lives. Okay, so we don't want students to just learn numbers without knowing that you know actually it involves in our daily life. So first of all, okay, we're going to see the textbook. Okay, page 80. Okay, so look at here. Okay, first I want you to tell me, okay, which topic is this about? Okay, there's a cloth, one is white cloth, one is printed cloth. So what do you think about it? Which topic it relate to? Yes, yes, it's related to length. Okay, so yeah, so when you look at a picture, okay, so it might, you mean to ask your question to yourself. You want to ask a question to yourself. Okay, this is about what? Might be what? Maybe you can guess a bit. So it's about length, right? Because normally we use cloth to sew it to make some clothes, okay, or curtains or blanket or um, the bed sheets. So yeah, so it is about length. So normally if clothes, we will touch about length. Number two, okay, a mother here, okay, baking biscuit. So okay, and yeah, pouring milk, and then you can see here there's butter. So well, making or baking cakes or biscuits, okay, it involves maybe volume of liquid because there's the liquid here, or yeah, mass because you need to weigh the flour and also butter. Yes, so it's involved weight. Okay, number three. Okay, there's a boy here wanted to make or wanted to divide um juice, okay, in a 4 cups. So we learned that juice is in a liquid form. Okay, so it might be in a involved volume of liquid. So this is what question that we need to ask. Okay, when looking at the picture, um, you can guess. Okay, right. Next is we're going to look at the when we want to create stories, we're going to look at the mathematics sentence. So this is the math sentence. So the math sentence is just to tell you, okay, in numbers, okay, in numbers, what you're gonna do. But in words, okay, in create stories, we're going to make it in a more meaningful with proper vocabulary, okay, that we use that shows some actions. Okay, so for example, 15 meter plus 28 meter equals to 43 meter. Okay, for this is the math sentence. Okay, so how are we going to tell about these stories? Okay, so there are two lengths. So there's two pictures here. There are two types of cloth here. Okay, so you can create stories like what is already done here. Aisha bought 15 meters. So 15 meter, first number. So it mentioned first. Okay, 15 meter of white cloth. So it start from the left to right. Okay, start from the left to right. So normally, it's a very easy to do in that way, left to right. But of course, some stories if you are very good already, you can create it in any way that makes sense, that have logic. Okay. So Asia bought 15 meter of white cloth. This is the 15 meter and 28 meter. So mention the second one. So mention second one here. 28 meter for the printed cloth to make curtains. So because it is a addition, so the last answer or the last vocabulary is the total. Okay, so the total length. So when you know that it's an addition, so you know that you need the word as like total all together. Yeah, so all these are the words that involve that you know that you're going to do addition. So the total length of cloth is 43, so you need to do addition. Number 2. Okay, so here there's a mathematical sentence. 3 times 250 gram. Where is this 3 from? Okay, so in the picture it has 3 of this butter. So you can make a story. Mother uses 3 blocks of butter to make biscuits. Okay, so here the 250, okay, the mass of a block. So 250 means for one block, or each. Okay, so this is the keywords. Yeah, for a block of butter is 250 gram. So this is the each of the butter. But you know, if you have a multiplication, the keywords that you can use is total. Okay, okay, it's almost like addition. Just the addition, you don't have there. Yeah, you don't have each. So this one is a repeated addition. So that's why when it's a repeated addition, we can do multiplication. Okay, so the total mass of the butter used is, so this is the total. Okay, same goes to here. 43 is the total, right? Yes. Okay, but this one is addition. This one is a repeated addition. So it's a multiplication. Number 3, so I hope you understand how you can differentiate a multiplication and addition right now. So number 3, the volume of sugar cane, okay, sorry. So the mathematical sentence is 1 liter, 200 ml divided by 4. So this is the picture, and also they put the figure here. And you can see that this boy is pouring for each of the cup or glass. Yeah, there are 4 glasses. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so when they doing that, it is a division. Okay, the volume. So for division, it started with the total. So this is the total, or this is the whole amount of volume of liquid in the jug. So the volume of sugar cane juice in a jug is, so this is the total. So mention first. So in your story also you have to mention it first. So 1 liter, 200 ml. The sugar cane is poured equally. So this is the keyword, equally divided. Okay, or you can say what else? Yeah, so this is the words that we use for division. Okay, divided equally, giving equally. So the word of equal is important there. So equally into how many glasses? So this is where you have to put your 4 glasses of for the 4 glasses. So each glass. So this is the each. It also have but it's in the end. You see the difference between total and division. Total, it mentioned the each or at the beginning of the stories, and then in the end equals to the total. But for a division, it starts with the total, and then it asks in the end. This is the end. The end of the story is you get each. Yeah, each glass filled with 300 ml. Okay, so that's how we're going to differentiate between a multiplication and also a division. Okay, so for your homework, okay, you can try to make create stories like this. Okay, how are you going to create stories about the length? Okay, so this is an what, subtraction. So what are the keywords for subtraction? Okay, so when you talk about length, okay, so maybe you can say the difference. Okay, so the difference from two cloth. So this is for one cloth, this is for second cloth. So you can use keywords like difference. Or if you talk about you need it to make clothes. Okay, so you take out. So this is the one that you take out or take away, or cut out. So this is in the end. This is the end of it. Is the left. How much left? How much cloth left? Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so multiplication already touched about it. Okay, so it starts with a number, and each. This is each. Yeah, so each of the maybe glass or jug contains 625 milliliter. Okay, so for a volume of liquid, you can say, you can use glasses, you can use bags. Okay, so because normally liquids in the form of liquid, we put in a container. Yeah, so we can mention the objects that holds the liquid. Yeah. Okay, so here is addition, so it's very easy. So this one you can use total. Multiplication also, in the end you can use total, but you have to mention the each. But for addition, there's no each because these two are different number. Okay, so there are two different weights. Okay, maybe two different objects. Okay, so for division, okay, because it's a division, so you can use the word equally. Okay, divided equally into 9. This is the one. And then here in the end, you have to mention each. Okay, so as you can see here, the unit is in a volume of liquid. So you have to remember. So you need to mention about juice, whatever that is in a liquid form. Yeah, oil. Okay, for example, that's just an example. Maybe you can talk about juice. Okay, oil. Okay, what else? In the form of liquid. Yeah, so water. Okay, so whatever that related to it, it makes logic, you can create stories. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to touch on is solve problems. Okay, so solving problem is very important in maths because it makes it tests your understanding about a problem and how you're going, what's method that you're going to plan to solve it, and then after that how you carry out the solution. Okay, so for example, so the first one, when you have a solving problem question, which is very popular in maths, you have to know this. Okay, first you have to see if there's any graphic information. So this is the graphic information. Okay, so learn about this first. So in this graphic you have two ribbons. Okay, so we know the object is ribbons, and in the graphic as well they also mention numbers. Okay, so they give information about this ribbon. So the red one is 235 centimeters. So what is related this number to the ribbon? Yes, maybe it's the length. Yeah, So the length. So the blue color is 84 centimeter. So this is also the length of the blue ribbon. So then we go to the words. Okay, so the sentence. So this is the problem sentence. The picture shows the length of a blue ribbon and the red ribbon that Annie. So blue ribbon and the red ribbon uses to make ribbon flowers. Okay. Calculate the total. So this is the keywords then. Length of the ribbons used in meter and centimeter. So this is the one that it is needed. So in length or whatsoever, it's not like a whole number addition whereby it needs this unit. So you need to be careful what unit that it needs you to give. All right. So if it says that in meter and centimeter, so you need to write in meter and centimeter. Okay, students, murid-murid kena faham ya. Inilah yang diperlukan. Total maksudnya awak kena buat tambah. Okay. Dan juga dalam unit in meter and centimeter. So dalam unit meter dan centimeter ni kena take note. Okay, dia bukan macam nombor biasa hanya nombor sahaja, tapi kita kena ambil kisah unit apa yang dia nak. Kalau dia kata hanya sentimeter, so kena gariskan perkataan itu. So itulah jawapan akhir yang dia perlukan. Okay, so first you need to given. Given is what is given. Apa information? What's the information that is given to you? So ini melibatkan gambar dan juga dalam ayat tu. So you have to underline keywords. So ini keywords dia. So this is given. Okay, so kan nampak sini? So first you need to underline any numbers that you found in the graphic or problem sentence. Okay, find. Find ini adalah question. The question. So what's the question ask you to do? Total. Okay, so total you don't. Method ini adalah mathematic. Math sentence lah. So math sentence ni, okay, ambil nombor, take the number. Okay, and then after that take the operation. So operation untuk total is addition. So letak addition and then another number. Okay, dan biarkan kosong. Dan di sini adalah equals to. Inilah yang dia minta find. This is the word. This is the what they ask you to find in meter and centimeter. So after doing the mathematics sentence, students can do the calculation. So this is the calculation. So calculate lah according to the math sentence. Okay, berdasarkan ayat matematik. So when you do the addition first, semua ni, dua-dua ni adalah bentuk sentimeter. Can you recognize this one? Yes, so in the end, this one, ini adalah method langkah pertama, iaitu you just add. Ya, cara pertama, maksudnya langkah pertama, the first step is to add. Second step is barulah yang ini. Okay, daripada jawapan, from the answer, you convert and put it in a meter and centimeter form. Okay, so this is the second way, second step. And then after that, this is the third step, that is you complete the mathematics sentence. Lengkapkan ayat matematik yang dekat atas ni. So 235 cm plus 84 cm equals to, so you write back the answer. Jangan tergantung di sini. Don't only do this, but to complete. Lengkapkan ya. Lengkapkan ayat matematik. Okay, then kemudian murid boleh jawab. Okay, the total length ini kena buat. Okay, the sentence. Okay, to solve your problem. So the total length of ribbon used is, okay. So macam mana nak tulis yang ni? Okay, so ialah berdasarkan the question yang soalan dia tu. So ni ada kan the total length of ribbon used. Okay, so yang ni soalan balik je. The total length of ribbon used is, okay. Yang ni kena gunakan perkataan is here and then letakkan jawapan. So this is the answer. Okay, so that's how you do your problem question. Okay, number 2. Lily's mass is 32 kilogram. Okay, ini tak ada grafik. Okay, only problem sentence. So, kita kena gariskan nombor yang kita baca. So, first of all, you have to read your sentence and understand them. So, Lily mass maksudnya berat, is 32 kilogram. Okay, so I circle. Her mass is 3 kilogram. Ada lagi nombor. Tapi ada perkataan more. So I will underline the word more. More than Akmal's mass. Ini ada seorang murid lagi. So this is Lily. This is Akmal. So saya ada 2 orang murid yang berbeza. So that is what given first. So what is Akmal's mass? So here ada find. So given dulu. So given, ni dia terus letak method kan, but I just want us to back to given. Given apa yang given? So here is given Lily's mass. Lily's mass is 32 kilogram. Okay, lagi given, and then Lily is 3 kilogram more than Akmal. So here also another one, 3 kilo more than another boy, Akmal. So this is what given. So find. Okay, cuba cari yang find. What ask you to find? Ini yang find. Ya, F. What? So what is Akmal's? So dia minta Akmal's mass. Berat Akmal. Okay. So barulah kita buat method dia. So this is the method. So bila kita tahu more. Okay, so kita kata more ni masih lebih. So 32 kilogram nak dapat Akmal ni, Akmal kurang lah. Okay, so we have to do subtraction. Yang ni adalah Lily. So nampak gambar ni, so dia boleh lukis gambar. Lily berat dia 32. Akmal dia kata Lily ni lebih 3 kilogram. This is the one that is more. So kita nak dapatkan Akmal. Akmal ni je lah. So how do we take that? 32 kita buang yang ni. Kita akan dapat berat Akmal. Okay, so that's the question. So that's the solution to subtract 3 kilogram from Lily's mass. Okay. Okay, so number 3. Tini prepared 2 different drinks as shown in table. So normally also selain daripada grafik, kita ada table form. So ni adalah table. Kita dalam bentuk jadual, ya. So prepare 2 different drinks as shown in table below. So drink ada ni tajuk dia, drink and volume. So drink ni jenis minuman. Bali, Bandung drink. Okay, so Bali volume dia atau isi padu dia 3 liter 400 ml. Bandung 5 times. Okay. Underline the word 5 times. The volume of Bali drink. So ini dia gunakan perkataan dia untuk fahamkan. So 5 times maksudnya 5 kali. The volume of Bali drink. 5 kali Bali drink. Bali drink ni ada volume dia kan? This is what it meant. Okay? Okay. So, kita dah tahu Bandung Bandung drink dia 5 times the volume of Bali drink. Tapi dia tak tulis jawapan dulu. Okay. So A, calculate the volume of the Bandung drink in liter. So this is fine. Okay. So this is the what? Given. Yang kat sini semua ni given. Okay. So calculate the volume of the Bandung drink in liter. So underline the word in liter. So kita kena kira dan letakkan dalam bentuk liter. Okay. Sini ada ml kan, gabungan L dengan ml. So tapi akhirnya kena buat L ya. So dia nak Bandung drink. So Bandung drink ni yang ni lah. So kita kena selesaikan 5 times 3 liter 400 ml. So yang ni yang dia buat method dia. So ambil 3 liter 400 ml ni dekat atas, letak dekat atas. Okay. Yang panjang-panjang ni dekat atas, yang 5 ni dekat bawah. Okay, so make sure. Jangan ada yang kecil dekat atas ya. Kita susah nak darab sebab kecil atas bawah panjang. So it's difficult to see ya. Yang ni elakkan. Don't do this. Okay, do like this. Okay, 3 liter 400 ml ni letak atas times 5. Okay, so finish. After that, kita dapat sini 2000 ml. Okay, kena asingkan ya. So 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so bila kita realize, 2000 ml saya boleh convert to liter. Okay, so saya kena minus 2000. Okay, tambah 2 liter. So altogether kita dapat 17 liter. Sebab di sini dah 0 ml, tak perlu tulis pun tak apa. So the answer is 17 liter. Okay, so first question kita dah jawab. So this is our question yang kita kata berangkai ya. Okay, you have 2 question or more in one for one problem. Okay, so first problem kita dah selesaikan. So untuk soalan like this, you have to be careful sebab normally the second question dia ada related, the B question is related to A question. So you make sure you nail your A question first. Okay, pastikan jawapan dekat A tu betul sebab kadang-kadang memang selalunya B tu dia ada kaitan dengan A. So kalau jawapan A ni salah, B kemungkinan akan salah juga. So be careful, jangan salah kira. Okay, so B. Tini pour the bandung drink. Can you see this? Nampak tak kaitan dia? Into 8 jugs. Okay, so digunakan jawapan tadi. Bandung drink tadi kita dah dapat 17 liter. Okay, so this is a new given information yang awak dah cari. Okay, so now dia bagi tahu lagi, kena pour 8 into 8 jugs. Masukkan dalam 8 jug. What is the volume in liter and ml? So ini adalah yang dia minta, find liter and ml of the bandung drink in 1 jug. So bila ada macam ni, akhir sekali minta 1. So we know that the method is division. Okay, so here 17 liter divided by 8. Okay. So here I want to explain ya, walaupun murid tu dah buat dekat sana, let me show you how to do it. Okay, tadi kita dah dapat 17 liter. Okay, the bandung drink, and then after that dia kata dia nak pour into 8 jugs. So kita divide because after that dia minta each. So this is how we do. If we want to have 1 jug, okay, kita kena buat division. Okay, tapi dia kata answer in liter and ml. So, bear in mind ya, kena ingat terus kena buat liter ml. So, macam mana nak buat liter ml sedangkan ni liter saja? Okay, tak apa. Kita teruskan dulu our division. Okay, so 17 divided by 8. Okay, dalam kita punya times table untuk sifir 8, okay, 8, okay, 16, 24, 32. Okay, tak payah nak jauh sangat lah. Okay, 1 times 8, 8. 2 times 8, 16. 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 8, 32. Okay, so untuk 17, dia dekat sini. Okay, 17 is more than 16, less than 24. So, kita ambil yang paling dekat dia, iaitu 16, right? So, 8 times 2 or 2 times 8. So, atas ni 2. Okay, 16 ni di bawah 17. Di minus. Ada remainder kan? Ada remainder 1. Tapi 1 ni 1 liter. Kita tak boleh nak biarkan dia sebab ini masih boleh dibahagi. We still can do division. Dengan cara apa? So, 1 liter this one, we convert it into ml. Di sinilah, tak perlu naik atas pun sebab tak ada, atas ni kosong kan. Okay, or we can say here, this is 0 ml kan. So, we convert 1 liter to ml is 1000, isn't it? So, kita tambahkan dengan sifar, we still get 1000 ml. Okay? So, this is the conversion happens lah. So, dekat sini kita dah tukar, so kita boleh bahagi. Okay, kalau 1 memang tak ada lah. Akan mula dengan 0 juga. So, we take 2 digit number. So, kita ambil 10. Ada tak 10? So, 10 is in between here. kan? So we take the nearest one, 8. So 8 ialah 1. So letak 1 dekat digit sifar. Okay, kena lurus so make sure. So 0 atas 10 tu. Digit sifar dekat 10. So put 1 and then 8 down. Minus kan. So ni ada baki. 10 minus 8 is 2. Turunkan 0. So 20. 20 is where? 20 dekat sini juga. Antara 16 and 24. Okay, so 20 pun dekat sini. So paling dekat ambil 16. Okay, so 16 is 2. Okay, so 2. Okay. 16 minus. Okay, 20 minus 16 is 4. Turunkan lagi 0. So this one kena hati-hati ya. Pastikan semua digit tu diturunkan. So 40. Ada tak 40? Okay, tak ada. Because kita kena kira lagi. 5 times 8 equals to 40. Oh, ada. Iaitu 5. So 5 di atas. 40 di bawah. Minus. Okay. Habis. 40 minus 40 is 0. So here kita dah dapat jawapan 2 liter 125 ml. So this is how we get the ml. Daripada liter tu kita dapat ml dah. Sebab di sini kita buat conversion. Yeah? So this is how you do. So, okay. Alright. So, for your homework, okay, you can try a textbook. Okay, page, so this is, I'm going to do it in the, what do you call this? Quiz form. Okay, so please answer my quiz. And then after that, you can do your activity book. Yeah. So please do your activity book. Create stories. And also, solving problems. So create story is 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, 5. Okay. 1 to 6. Yes, so we have finished our topic for mass, length, and volume of liquid. Okay, thank you for spending time with me. I'm Teacher Stella. Wish you all the best. Please answer my these 3 questions, which I'm going to put inside your Google form quiz. Okay, so please answer them by the end of before 5:30 this evening. Okay, I see you next time. Okay, stay safe. Thank you for learning from home. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Bye. Take care.